thing to do. You want to be a dictator? Create a state of emergency. There we go.
We can go anywhere in the world, darling. You just say the word.
I'd love to go to an island. That would be marvelous.
I hear New California's nice this time of year.
Well, it's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, this is earthquake weather. Left a couple chicks with a scarlet letter. Toss all the money in a paper shredder. Never felt better, never been better. World peace, climb trees, I'm deep. Can't get drunk if there ain't no drink, and you can't kick sand if there ain't no beach. Earthquake weather, down for whatever. Little bit of pain and a little bit of pleasure. Try to get me got, get a little bit of never. Can't talk high, 2 stone Rosetta. Technique, I'm deep, no sleep. Can't get drunk if there ain't no drink, and you can't kick sand if there ain't no beach. Can't kick sand if there ain't no beach, no.
West Coast sinking, I'll go down with you. We'll be singing bye bye baby blue. West Coast sinking, I'll go down with you. We'll be singing bye bye baby blue. Well, this is earthquake weather. What's it even mean, man? Nah, fuck it, whatever. Yeah, we all in this together. I'ma get it going now, never feeling better. Call it Soul Beach, yeah, vacation forever. But you can't get high if there ain't no weed, and you can't kick sand if there ain't no beach. Earthquake weather, man, down for the elements. Southside overcast, breezy with the warm glow. Inside chilling out, smoking in my bathrobe. Can't go to work if you ain't got a job. You ain't got shit, then you can't get robbed. Can't kick sand if you're standing knee deep, and you can't kick sand if there ain't no beach. Can't kick sand if there ain't no beach. West Coast sinking, I'll go down with you. We'll be singing bye bye.